Well, g'day again everybody. Right, we're back onto this, let me go and have a look. Back onto this water blaster, and I've found a decent NGK plug for it. I have found a fuel tap for it. That fuel tap's just temporary until I can get another one. I have taken the water pump off just so I can run it, and I thought, right, I will go and just buy another carburetor. I couldn't be bothered really futzing around with this with the old one. In the last video I think I showed you it was pretty grimy. Jets were pretty, Jets were pretty clogged up. I managed to unclog them. Focus. Anyhow, got all the bits here. Yeah, all the jets were pretty clogged up, so needle valve was looking worse for wear. I had it in the seat. I give the seat a clean out, but the needle valve was still sticking, so yeah, I thought, right, I'll just buy another one. So yeah, we'll put it on, I guess, and see how we go. I've got gaskets with it and all the good stuff, so I'll set you up here and see if we can't fit the thing. Yeah, that's it, pretty much exactly the same as what I've got. Yeah, it's just a cheap carburetor. It's a Chinese machine anyway, so I figure doesn't really need a really expensive carburetor. I just wanted a clean one. So anyhow, I've got gaskets here. We'll see if we can't fit the gaskets up. I'm going to figure out which way the gaskets go on it. And I'm trying to look at the camera and trying to look at what I'm doing as well. So where's that? I think that's the wrong gasket. Right, here we go. Here's the gasket here. Okay, so if that goes there like that, yep. Okay, yeah. Right, let's put that on. Get that up there. Right, you can go on there. Yeah, it all fits up. So, right, there we go. Now, that will go on there. Okay. Right, so that's that there. Spring. Fiddly little fork, I think. Right. get it in the hole. My big finger's getting in the way. Right, that's in the hole. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's on. What do I need now? I need to put on that. Here we go. Choke works. Choke on, choke off. Cool. I need to get the cover, and then I've got the tank on. We'll put the tank on now, I think. The outlet of that tank is really in the wrong place. The outlet comes out this side, whereas the old one, the outlet come out this side. And that's all I've had, though I took that off another tank that I had that didn't leak, so, but that's alright. It's only temporary, so I can put this on. Put that on just temporary anyway. There we go. Right. Yeah. And then I'll just have to get another fuel tap. I'm going to get that cover. Right. Here we go. There's that. You can go on to right, yep. Yeah, I tried my other carburetors that I had, but they wouldn't work. They had the fuel shut off on the carburetor, and it stuck out here, and it hit against the cover here, which was a bit of a nuisance, but yeah, what? So, gonna try to get these nuts in here. Ear on there. Yeah, I'll be interested to see how well this runs. Hopefully it runs okay. Now I've got some water blasting to be done. I've got to fix the outlet on that pump. It leaks. So there we go. Let's choke on, choke off. Okay. Yeah. Right, 10mm spanner that I didn't bring over with me. Okay. No, I think I did bring it over. Here we are. So, here we go. Tighten those things up. Done. Done. Now I'm just temporarily attaching that tank. I'll have to take this tank off again anyway to put that fuel tap on. That replacement fuel tap. But since I had the carburetor, I thought, right, I'd get the carburetor going, get the engine going, see if it runs. So I'll put this nut on. I'm just putting that nut there on. So we've got, where are you? So we've got some sort of security on the tank, so it doesn't flop its head all over the place. Right, good enough. Okay. Right. How's that? Okay, right, let's turn that tap on. Oh, yep, there we go. Fuel has flown through. It's now filling the bowl. We've got fuel in there, and it doesn't look like it's leaking. That's a bonus. Right, I'll put the spark plug on. I'm looking at what I'm doing and not the camera. Okay, so right, so that's spark plug on. Okay, yep. I could probably pull it over and see if it will start. Doesn't look like it's leaking, so bonus. Okay. Right, okay, let's have a look. On, that's on. Turn the choke on. That should go now. We'll see. Don't know what happened there. The choke lever come off. That there. And yeah, it come off in my hand, and I was trying to put it back on. So surely there's some way of, you can see it down there. Where is it? There. Yeah, so it will just come off by itself. Surely there's some way of attaching it. I might try the other lever, I think. See how we go. I have got this other lever here. But yeah, that was the result. It runs. Right, okay. See if I can. There we go. Focus. Okay. We'll give that another start, see how we go. So that's choke on. think that's fast. Interesting. So if I that'll run on low, but if I put that up there to fast, it doesn't run. Now that's interesting, and that there, so I might turn the lever. So that's slow, I think, and that's fast. Right, I'll give it another go then. Check on. So I've adjusted the mixture. That wee brass, don't know if you can see it, that wee brass screw there, I've adjusted that mixture. That made it run better, but I can't put it up to there. I can't do that fast. I've got to do it slow, and that will run properly. So, more adjusting, I think. Right, let's do it again then. More choke. I wonder too if it needs the air cleaner in it. For nickety. So what I was doing was I adjusted it in until it faulted, and then it didn't want to, and I turned it out again, and it didn't want to run. So it's pretty finickety. I might have to take the main jet out and just enlarge that main jet a little bit. So we'll run it anyway and see. Seems to like the choke, so. it runs. So that made us some difference. Putting the filters on made a little bit of difference. Most of the difference was trying to get the in that little brass plug and that little brass screw there. So, but that's good, it runs, and because last time it was running, it wouldn't run off choke. Like the main jet was blocked, and yeah, we could see why. So that's good, this actually runs. Now next time, hopefully, I'll have a new fuel tap. I can button all this up, and yeah, I'll have the pump on. Actually, I wonder if that pump, if it needs that pump and needs that load. Yeah, needs that pump to be going. So, but what I've found is that there is blown out. That little brass plug there is blown out, and water just comes out. So I wonder if that can be replaced. If I just put a normal fitting in there, that might work. If I put one of them in. But yeah, no, good. It actually runs. I'm pleased with that. Yep. Well pleased with that. So I think we've got a good wee running motor. I've got another motor there. I think it's the same size anyway, so possibly look at rebuilding that as a spare for this one. I noticed it's got a wee bit of compression. Yeah, it's got better compression the more I run it. I think because it hasn't been used for such a long time, that the rings are just starting to free up now. So, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'm happy with it, and I will get to use it soon. So yeah. Alright everybody, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.